Guys, do you want to learn how to install MongoDB Server, MongoDB Compass, and MongoDB Shell? So a complete setup of MongoDB I'm going to show you in this video under 10 minutes, guys. So do watch my video till end if you want to set up MongoDB first time. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, I'm going to start my browser and here I'm going to simply search for MongoDB download. And herein guys, you can see the official website of MongoDB. We need to simply click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page, community page. Community is free one. And here guys, just scroll down. You can see the latest version of MongoDB server. If you want to install any previous version, you can just select from this drop down. I'm installing current version. And guys, here it's showing me the platform. So I'm going to install for Windows. You can check it out for others operating system if you are installing for other operating system. And guys, here it's showing me zip and MSI. So I'm going to install MSI. Now I will simply click on this download button to download the installer of this MongoDB server. So once the download has been started, it will take a while. We will wait for it. So once here my download is done. Now for installing MongoDB server, first I will be clicking on this MSI. Let me minimize my browser and here I am going to simply click on next button. Here I need to check mark this license and agreement and click on next button. And now here it's showing me two options, complete installation and custom. So I'm going to take complete installation because I will be installing MongoDB server as well as MongoDB Compass. So just click on this complete button. And now guys, on this page it is showing that MongoDB will be installed as Windows services. So if you go to Windows services, you can check out MongoDB server. Here just make sure that this checkbox is selected and under that the first radio button is selected. And below guys, you can see it's showing me the service name. That means under Windows services, it will be run with MongoDB service. And this is the location of your data file and log file. Everything is perfect. I'm just going to click on next button. And now here it's showing me this screen that install MongoDB Compass. Yes, I would like to install. MongoDB Compass is a GUI tool for MongoDB server. So just click on next button. Now here you have to click on install button. So it will ask you permission. So simply click on yes button. So guys, now here you can see the installation has been started. Again, it will take time. So please wait for it. So guys, the installation is completed. Here it's showing me this screen. So let me just go to the back screen, that is MongoDB Compass. So this is a GUI tool for using MongoDB server. So there are two clients available for MongoDB server. One is MongoDB Compass and another is mongosh. So this is the first one. You can create your collections, everything using this. So for time being, I'm just closing this. I have created separate video for MongoDB Compass, how to use it. You can certainly watch that. I will provide link in description box or you can click on I button. Now here simply I'm going to click on finish button. Okay guys, so installation of MongoDB server is done. Now I will be installing another tool, that is mongosh, mongosh shell. That is a CLI tool, command line tool. Using this, you can type your commands of MongoDB for performing CRUD operation or any query you want to type. So now simply again I'm going to my browser. So at left side guys, I'm clicking on this tools link. So it will take me to the tools of MongoDB and here just scroll down. You can see it's showing MongoDB Shell. Okay, and here it's showing the version of MongoDB Shell and Windows. And below it's showing zip file. We will be installing MSI. So just select MSI and click on download. So here the download is started. It's very small file. So it is done guys. Now let me click on this MSI. I'm closing my browser. And guys, here it's showing me this page. I'm going to click on next button. This is the installation location. Yes, I would like to install at this place. Click on next button and click on install button. Installation of Mongo Shell is done. Now let's start this Mongo Shell. So for that, you need to just open command prompt and simply type mongosh. Guys, once you get this message that is connected to you and your local host address and port number, that means it is connected successfully. If you are getting some other message, that means the connection is not successful. So my Mongo shell is connected to my MongoDB server, and here it's showing me the version of my MongoDB server as well as my MongoDB shell. So now on this prompt, you can type your queries. So here you can see it's showing me test database. Let me simply type one query, show DBS, just to show you that yes, my MongoDB is working properly. So here I'm typing show DBS, and you can see it's showing me default databases which are there for MongoDB. So guys, you can type any query, you can create the collection, you can create document databases, everything you can do here. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to perform CRUD operation on MongoDB using MongoDB Shell. So guys, if you really like my video, don't forget to hit on like button. If you have any query, you can put in comment box, or you can send me on my IG also. And share my videos to your friend, guys, if you are really thinking that my videos are very helpful. I have my website also. I'm sharing lots of content on my website, not too freely. You can certainly visit that. All my social media link I have shared in description box. You can join or follow that. You will get lots of stuff over there. And the very important thing for me, guys, is your subscription. If you really think my channels are helping, then you can certainly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.